Good morning, everyone. What's our day today? Tuesday. Okay. So everyone, today our word of the day is a fun one. So to help us present it, we have our grade 5 student. Okay. Our word for today has how many letters? We have 6 letters. Okay. And our first letter is
A, I, T, D, L, E.
Okay, what is our word for today? Our word for today is riddle. Everybody say riddle. Okay, in Thai, Parch, what is riddle in Thai?
ปริศนาคำไทย
Nawa, in Thai, what is riddle?
ปริศนาคำไทย
Muni.
ปริศนาคำไทยปริศนาคำไทยปริศนาคำไทย
Okay, we have here Sisi. Okay, come here, Sisi. Can you define or tell them what is the meaning of riddle?
A riddle is a question or sentence that has a tricky answer.
Okay, so a riddle is a question or sentence that has a tricky answer. So I have here 5 riddles. Okay, so can I call Nawa, Parch, Unique, Sisi, Shertam to read the following riddles? Okay, our first riddle. Okay, please listen carefully. If you know the answer, you can raise your right hand. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, now what?
What is yellow and goes back?
Again, now what? Can you read?
What is yellow and goes back?
What is yellow and goes buzz? Who can answer it? Army? Okay, let's have a guess for the first riddle. It's correct. Okay, Ava, can you give him? Okay, number 2 riddle. Okay, again, listen carefully.
I am round and you can show me. What am I?
Again, Parch, can you repeat?
I am round and you can show me. What am I?
I am round and you can throw me. What am I? In Thai, Parch, can you translate in Pasa Thai?
ฉันตรงและคุณสามารถฟังฉันได้ ฉันคืออะไร
Yes. Oh, grade 2 is very good. They know the answer.
Turtle.
Is it turtle? I am round and you can throw me. Any answer again? Another answer, okay. I am round. You can throw me.
Ball.
Ball. Ball is correct. Okay. Next. Munich, give us the third riddle.
You eat me for breakfast. I am white and sometimes running. What am I?
Again.
You eat me for breakfast. I am white and sometimes running. What am I?
In Thai.
คุณกินฉันตอนเช้า ฉันสีขาว และบางครั้งเหลว ฉันคืออะไร
You stop. Okay, okay. next time. You eat me for breakfast. I am white and sometimes running. What am I?
Rice.
Rice? No. Any other answer? Answer. You eat me for breakfast. I am white. Milk? No, not milk. Again, you eat me for breakfast. I am white.
Cereal.
Cereal? No. Last one. Last one from grade 4 and grade 5. Fine. Faster.
Egg.
Again.
Egg.
Egg is correct. Okay. Sisi, the fourth one.
I sleep during the day and wake at night. What am I?
Again.
I sleep during the day and wake at night.
Listen. In Thai.
ฉันนอนกลางวันและตื่นตอนกลางคืนฉันคืออะไร
I sleep during the day and wake at night. What am I? Titan. I sleep during the day and wake at night. What am I?
Owl.
Owl, correct. Okay. Last one.
I fly in the sky and bring rain. What am I?
Again.
I fly in the sky and bring rain. What am I? ฉันบินในท้องฟ้าและทำให้ฝนตก ฉันคืออะไร
Namo is here. I fly in the sky and bring rain. What am I? Bird? No.
Pig.
No. No. Okay. Sorry. She answered in time. Again. Louder, done.
กระเมฆค่ะ
Okay, cloud, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, again. Our word for today is, everybody can read. 1, 2, 3, go. Our word for today is, again, our word for today is riddle. Okay, thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoy our word for today. Thank you very much, grade 5. Thank you very much.